Did you know that right now, this very second, the universe is getting bigger? It's not a static, unchanging dome of stars above our heads. It's a dynamic, growing, and ever-expanding cosmos. This mind-blowing reality, which scientists only confirmed in the 20th century, was described with stunning accuracy in a book revealed over 1,400 years ago. Stick with me, because this connection between modern cosmology and ancient scripture is one of the most powerful signs you will ever encounter. Let's travel back in time, but not too far at first. The year is 1929. The astronomer Edwin Hubble, using the most powerful telescope of his era, makes a groundbreaking discovery. He observes that distant galaxies are all moving away from us, and the farther away they are, the faster they're receding. He had just found the first concrete evidence that the universe is expanding. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of everything. It laid the foundation for the Big Bang theory and changed cosmology forever. It was a monumental achievement for modern science, a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. But what if I told you that this modern discovery was already written down, waiting to be understood, for centuries? Let's now journey much further back, to 7th century Arabia, to the words of the Quran. In chapter 51, verse 47, we read a breathtaking statement, "And we built the heaven with might, and we are indeed expanding it." Let's pause and really absorb the weight of that verse. The Arabic word used here is misi'an, which is a plural active participle. In Arabic grammar, this form indicates an ongoing, continuous action. It doesn't say we expanded it in the past tense, which would imply a one-time event. It uses a form that translates to "we are expanding it" or "we are its expanders." This signifies a continuous, dynamic process that is still happening right now. The universe was not just created and left static. Its very nature is to grow, to stretch, to expand. Think about the context. At the time the Quran was revealed, the prevailing view of the cosmos, from the Greeks to virtually every other civilization, was that of a fixed, unchanging celestial sphere. The idea of a dynamic, expanding universe was simply unimaginable. There was no scientific basis for it, no observational evidence, no philosophical framework. To even conceive of such a thing was to go against all the established knowledge of the time. So, how could a man in the desert, over 1,400 years ago, describe the universe with a precision that would only be verified by multi-million-dollar telescopes in the 20th century? The precision is what's truly staggering. It's not a vague, poetic metaphor that could be interpreted in a dozen different ways. It's a specific, scientific statement. We are expanding it. A continuous action. This is exactly what Edwin Hubble observed, and what every subsequent cosmological measurement has confirmed. The fabric of space-time itself is stretching, carrying galaxies along with it. The Quran didn't just get the concept right. It got the asterisk tense asterisk right. It described a process, not just a state. This isn't a case of finding patterns where none exist. It's about recognizing a clear, unambiguous statement that aligns perfectly with one of the most profound discoveries in the history of science. The Quran is filled with these moments, what are often called scientific miracles. Descriptions of embryonic development, the water cycle, the nature of mountains, all described with a clarity that was impossible for the science of that era. So, what does this tell us? For believers, it's a powerful affirmation of faith. It shows that the Quran is not a book authored by a human, but a revelation from the Creator of the universe itself. Who else could know the fundamental nature of the cosmos long before humanity had the tools to even ask the right questions? It's a sign a divine fingerprint left on both revelation and creation. But even for those who are skeptical, it presents a profound intellectual challenge. If it's not from a divine source, then what is the explanation? Coincidence? To claim this level of specific, accurate, and counterintuitive scientific knowledge across multiple fields is a coincidence stretches the definition of the word to its breaking point. It's statistically improbable to the extreme. Could it be a lucky guess? A single lucky guess might be plausible, but the Quran contains numerous such statements. The probability of guessing all of them correctly is virtually zero. The deeper we look into the cosmos, through the lenses of our most advanced telescopes, the more we see the echoes of what was stated in the Quran centuries ago. And the deeper we look into the Quran, the more we find descriptions of the natural world that science is only now beginning to fully appreciate. This reveals a beautiful harmony. Faith and science are not enemies, locked in a perpetual battle. They were never meant to be. Instead, they are two different paths leading to the same ultimate truth. Science explores the how of creation, while faith explains the why and the who. When we see the universe expanding, we are witnessing the ongoing act of God, the literal fulfillment of His words. The Quran invited us to look at the signs in the heavens and the earth. The expansion of the universe is one of the grandest of those signs, a continuous miracle happening every moment of every day. It's a humbling reminder of our place in a vast and majestic creation, and of the infinite knowledge of the Creator who set it all in motion. The truth was always there, written in the stars and written in the book, waiting for us to connect the dots. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through space and time. If this video resonated with you and opened your mind to a new perspective, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might find it interesting. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next exploration into the signs of God. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep seeking knowledge and reflecting on the wonders around you.